Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our class. I'm your instructor Adil Raza, and today we have to learn an SLO from grade 6 unit 9. Let's find out what our SLO is going to be about and what is the competency of our SLO. So here we have the SLO about the competency of reading and critical thinking, and it's our lecture 4A. And what is the main topic of the SLO? In this SLO, we have to develop our skill about the predicting the content. So let's read the SLO, what our SLO is. The SLO states that predict the content of a short piece of text from topic, picture, title, headings, bold, italicized, print, etc. By using prior knowledge, asking questions and contextual clues, topic sentence, synonyms, antonyms, definition, explanation, restatement. So here the SLO is actually stating that we have to learn how to predict the content, how to predict content using different strategies. Like we can predict the content through seeing we can say that the title, the headings, the picture. So this is how which we have to learn in this SLO. We have also learned this SLO, the same SLO we have addressed in the previous chapters. So here we can enlarge our understanding about the same SLO. So let's go further. Here we have a brainstorming activity. Here we have a brainstorming session. So let's do it. Based on the title and headings of the text, what do you think the text will be about? So when we start reading a text, firstly we see the title of that text, we see the main picture of the text, and when we look at the picture and the title, we can predict what the text is going to be about. And you guys have definitely done such type of practice. So this type of practice is actually a practice which is called the predicting the content. So let's go further and learn how to predict the content. So here is the vertical linkage. I hope you have got it. Let's go further. Here let's start what is meant by the predicting content and how we can do predict the content. What are the different steps? By following them we can predict the content. Let's find out. Predicting content involves using clues from the text and to guess what the content is about. So what are the clues which we have to look for in the text? Firstly, we have to look at the title and the headings of the text. Through seeing the title and the headings, we can get to know what the content is going to be about, because most of the time the title are presenting the main theme or the central theme of the topic. Secondly, we have to see the pictures and the images which are cited in the text. To seeing these pictures or the images, we can predict easily what the content is going to be about. And thirdly, we have to look at the topic sentences and the content words which are used in the text, through which we can understand what the content is going to be about. And most of the time we just have to find out the content words or from the topic sentence, or we can say that from 1 to 2 initial sentences of any text, and through reading just 2 to 3 sentences we can predict that what the content is going to be about. So let's find out either our steps are effective or not. Let's do predict a content. So here is the title. What is the title? Pollution, a threat to life. So here first content word, second content word and third content word. Pollution is the first content word. So what is pollution? Pollution is a threat. Threat to what? Threat to life. So here is the title and we have understand the title, and here is the picture. So what you guys think, through look at the picture and through understanding the title, what you guys can predict what the content is going to be about? So definitely it is very much clear from the title and very much clear from the picture. The content is going to be about pollution and the effects of pollution on the human life. So let's find out. Let's read the first lines of the text to make our prediction more strong. So here is the text. The text is actually a letter to editor about the effects of pollution. The subject of letter is causes and effects of the pollution. So through the subject we can also predict, we make our prediction more sure and more compact that our prediction is right. The content is about the pollution and effects of pollution. So let's read the initial lines. Through your newspaper, I wish to make the public aware and draw the kind attention of the higher authorities towards the increasing problems of pollution. Pollution has become a threat to mankind, and it is essential that we take immediate action to combat. So students, here we just have read the two lines, and through reading these two lines and through looking at the content words of these two lines, we can easily make our prediction final that this content is definitely about pollution and its effects. So this is how we have to predict about the content, and we can predict different text, what the text or what the story will going to be about. So I hope you guys have understand how to make prediction. After making a prediction, you can read the text wholly with a more curious and more intended manner, more attentive manner. So this is how we make predictions, to bring the curiosity, to make yourself curious about the text. So according to your knowledge which you have learned in this SLO, attempt this classroom activity, make prediction about the text. So let's go further. Here we have the simulation link. The simulation link is in the description box. From this simulation you will learn about making prediction in a more, we can say that, enlarged manner. Let's go further. Here we have a worksheet. Attempt this worksheet, pause the video and use your skills to making predictions. Let's go further. Here is the homework. The homework is also based on your SLO. So kindly attempt this homework as well. Here we have a resource pack. This resource pack will help you, will assist you to achieve your SLOs, to enlarge your skills according to the SLOs. I hope you guys have understand what is meant by the predictions and how to make predictions about the content, why we have to make the predictions. If you find any doubt, any issue, any question, you can ask from your teacher, and you can ask in the comment section as well. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.